Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So in today's trading session, I attacked NVDA. So let's get this out of the way. Stock is in real time, MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options, real time futures. I don't trade it on this account, so I don't need the feeds for it. I have it free on other areas for instruments. Forex, real time, other real time, see right there, margin account. So I attacked NVIDIA today. Fantastic trade. What is always the first thing we do? Sorry, I got something in my throat again. I think my this postnasal drip is back again. We always draw the box. Where's the box? Well, the box is right here. Right? There's the box. I'm going to cut this to a different chart so that you can see it because I got multiple charts here. But there's the box. The box is volatility. The box is price action. The box is volume. The box is support and resistance. Let's open this up here so that you see it. So what? So when the video opens up, where does it open up? Way under the box. So what do? We wait, because if it opens up way under the box, what will happen is it'll tend to come down and then rip to try to hit and move up into the box. So you see here earlier on, the video was in a narrow state. This is a narrow state right here. So you have your volatility bands and you have compression, you have expansion right here. Then it closes. The bands are super tight. You see NVIDIA trading in a range. What does that tell you? The law of expansion and compression. When a stock compresses, the law says eventually it has to expand. Whether it expands to the upside or the downside, that's up to the stock and the price action and the volatility in the marketplace. So when it opens up, there we go. We have expansion to the downside. That's where the volatility band opens up right here. You see it and open up to the downside. Then the video hit a high really quickly and then dropped like a rock, like a stone. So I took the 420 put option, sent it out to my members. How do I know what NVIDIA is going to do? Well, if you come over here, I'm on a 3-day, 1-hour chart, and I'm looking at what is happening with NVIDIA. What do you see happening here? Even though NVIDIA tries to bounce and it rips, it's very volatile. It's all over the place. So now I'm going to drop this down to a 5-minute candle so that you can see it, because that's how I took my trade this morning. It was on a 3-day, 1-hour candle. I was looking at it pre-market. And then when I actually look back, when you look back to do your intraday trades, when you're scaling back 3 days, 5 days on the hour, the 2-hour, the 4-hour, you're going to see clarity. You're going to see like, oh my God, you're going to see a massive trend and you're going to see massive momentum. And even though NVIDIA is up and down, it's all over the map, you're going to see it once you understand it. So I got the option over here. The option hit a high of $5.40. That's huge. Huge. So let me break this down and let me come over here to the 1-day chart so that you can, I'm going to open this up so that you can clearly see it. And let me clean it all up for you. Let me remove, because I don't need all this stuff. I don't need the bands. I need the ESD bands. Let's put that there. I need the 20. And let me move this over here. I could probably just use one of my study sets, but you get the gist. You'll see what I'm doing. We'll get get this over here like that. And then we'll move this one over here. Move that over there like that. And we will ball apply. And give me a quick second. All right, let's move this over here, 2 minute, so that you guys can see it. Why do I do what I do? So you can see how my mind operates. That's what I do, so you can see exactly what I'm looking at and what I like to look at. So there you go. I show you this so that you can see clarity. Nothing's worse than when I see a bunch of traders that have spaghetti all over their charts when they're looking. You don't need that. Let me tell you something. The reason why I have study sets, the reason why I have, sometimes I have 3 study sets up, and I got a couple of indicators, is because I want 1,000% confirmation. Otherwise, I don't take the trade. It's very simple. If you're running with one indicator, you're flying blind. Now, what do I use them for? What is price action is king. Price action, volume, volatility. If you want a very specific order in what really works, it's volatility, price action, volume. And I can break down the formula for you for each one of those 3, but I'm not going to because it's already inside of my course. So those of you that are in the Platinum X Power Option Trader members, this is the end of the day trading recap for you. Those of you that are on social, get inside my course if you're not already a member, because I break all this down so that you know exactly what's going on. So you saw the box. So let's come over here. What am I going to do now? Well, I'm going to draw the channel. And I'm going to draw the true channel. Let me just shrink this up here so that you can actually see it, because this is what algorithms do. Let's take that channel there, and let's take that channel there. That is the true channel right there for the algorithms. So, what did I do in the video? After this, excuse me there. So after this movement right here, there's the opening, there's the bands, there's the channel. I waited. I saw this big, huge candle right here. I waited for that 32% retracement, because if you measure it from this candle here to right there, when you see this move, and you guys have seen me do this many times, you see that retracement? That's about a 32% retracement. I wait for it, and then I take that move right in here, which is around 938, 936, 937, 938. I'm on the 2-minute candle. I'm looking at it. I take that. I send the trade out to you guys, and you see the range in these candles. This is a $2.29 range, right? So don't be scared, because where is the 20? Where is the 200? I'm showing you where the 200 is, and I'm showing you where the 20 is. Where is it coinciding? What is happening? That's why I send that trade out to you, because the channel was right there. And then what do we have from here? We have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful textbook escalator to the downside. And then what do we always do? we always get out on the low, 416.60. And you see the retracement back up, you see the fall back down, another retracement back up, and then back down. You can clearly see what the algorithms are doing. So for those of you that are on social, how do I know the strikes to pick? So 18 of August 23, NVDA 420 strike put. How do I know how do I know which puts to take, which strike price to pick? All right, so we got that right there. So that's that, and then you want to see my trade for the day. So 224%, 121K. It's been a while since I had a six-figure day. Very, very, very impressive. I'm very happy for my Platinum X Power Option Trader members because we had a loss this week. It was uncalled for. I was juggling too many things, looking at too much stuff. It wasn't a bad trade, but it was just a trade on that I shouldn't have sent out to my members. So we recuperated for that big time. And today, obviously Friday, a lot of traders, what they do is they make money all week long. And then at the end of the week, they give it all back. So we had a fantastic week. We only had one red day. And we had one red day this week. But I shouldn't have any red days. It was the first red day I had in over a month, and I think it was like a month and a half this week. And it really kind of ticked me off. So today I was just like, all right, I got to focus, set myself up properly. And there we go. So that's the channel. Let me remove the channel here for you. I could draw the volatility box for you if you want me to draw the volatility box so that you can see what's going on. And then we have consolidation right here. Then we have a beautiful waterfall trade from right there. So that's it from Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.